Hey y'all, it's Noseray PA or Jack, back with another Minecraft video. Um, I have a better video prepared for next week, hopefully. I will actually do stuff, but for now, this is the best I can do. This is Minecraft how to place dirt block tutorial. Um, the first step to placing a dirt block in Minecraft is to gather the dirt block. So there are many different ways to get dirt. The two most common are you can find grass, and if you punch it with your fist, you acquire one dirt. The other is if you find dirt, like this, like so. You can find this in a variety of places, like on the side of mountains, underground, in caves. But if you get dirt, you can also punch it to break it, and you get dirt. To place the dirt block, this is very important, okay? When you break things, you use left click. To place the dirt block, you have to use right click. So if you click your right mouse button, place the dirt. To demonstrate one more time, there we go. Thank you for watching how to place Minecraft dirt block tutorial.